What are the key success factors when introducing Signavio in an organization?
I can take this one. I mean, we at Westernacher Consulting, we have a strong emphasis on the people aspect. And I would say people is the first one. Like Michael already said, okay, it's about the buy-in internally, right? Signavio on the one hand is a software solution, but it's more than a software solution, right? It's the approach, it's the whole business process transformation suite. So to get the people in this, again, mindset is already a key to success. Because you can have the best solution in place, but if the people are ultimately not adopting it, this also goes in the direction of change management, really emphasizing on the usage, on the value adds, on the benefits, then you already won. Signavio is just not another tool. It's, you know, it's here to help, it's here to support, it's here to be more efficient after all.